Welcome to our channel. This is Kumar. Today our presentation Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for 18th May 2020. Let's come our presentation. First, let's see Nifty 50. Nifty 50 range uh, last Friday is breakout for 20 days moving average. Let's a little bit in positive mode, but finally is finally only negative. Sell pressure is more sell pressure, they only come back for 50 points. Okay 18th May Nifty 50 range for buy above Nifty 9177, that's range, and buy target 9205, and sell below 9119 and sell target 9077. Okay, this is a Nifty 50 trend analysis for 18th May 2020. Let's come back Bank Nifty analysis. Okay, let's Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty Monday range, for example 18th May range for big opportunity for both our side, buy or sell. Okay, let's buy above 18,896 and buy target 19,146. Totally 400 points is there for buy side, and sells side 18,759 below sell, and sell target 18,490. It's also 300 points is there. That buy above and sell below, that line only break, then you can go trade is safely and get big money. I will give the Nifty and Bank Nifty link below the description. For more detail, join our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link also give the description. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.